Now most air conditioners, if not all, have a damper. And this one in shipping, they pushed it inside here. It's on a little swivel arm. See this thing here? When you pull it out, that allows fresh air in. Like if it's musty and you haven't been there for 6 months and you want to turn your air conditioner on, you pull the damper out and that allows some fresh air from outside to come in to your room. After maybe 20 minutes or so, half hour, you can push that back in. Okay, this is a vacation condo rental, so I never will have a need to have that damper out. And my experience has been if I leave the damper showing through the trim, some people aren't sure what that is, they pull it out, and now they're trying to cool the room, and maybe it's 90 degrees outside, 85 degrees outside. Now you're sucking in hot air into your room while you're trying to cool it. It's an oxymoron. It does not make sense. Okay, so I'm going to push that in. It's on a swivel, and I'm just going to swivel it back in there. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it inside there. I've got it pushed in, and that's all I got to say about that. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.